Implementing a universal basic income UBI globally would have profound and complex effects across various dimensions. Economic impacts. A global UBI could significantly reduce poverty and narrow income inequality by providing everyone with a basic income. Increased consumer spending could stimulate economic growth, leading to job creation and business expansion. However, there is a risk of inflation if demand outstrips supply. The effect on work incentives is debated. Some argue it might reduce the incentive to work, while others believe it could encourage people to pursue fulfilling or entrepreneurial activities without fear of financial instability. Social impacts. A stable income could improve health and well-being, allowing better access to healthcare, nutrition, and education. Education levels might rise as people invest in their skills development. UBI could foster greater social cohesion by reducing economic disparities. However, while UBI might reduce inequality within countries, disparities between richer and poorer nations could become more pronounced if UBI amounts are not adjusted for cost of living differences. Political impacts. Governments might need to restructure their fiscal policies, including tax systems, to fund UBI. This could involve higher taxes on wealth, income, or consumption. Implementing a global UBI would require unprecedented levels of international cooperation and coordination, raising questions about governance and the roles of international organizations. Reduced poverty and inequality could lead to greater political stability, although tensions could arise if certain nations feel disproportionately burdened by the costs. Environmental impacts. Increased financial security could allow people to make more environmentally friendly choices, although increased consumption could lead to greater environmental degradation if not managed properly. With a global UBI, more resources might be available for addressing global challenges like climate change. Practical challenges. Finding sustainable and fair funding for a global UBI would be challenging. Ensuring that UBI reaches everyone, especially in remote or politically unstable regions, would be a significant logistical challenge. Different societies have varying attitudes towards work, welfare, and income distribution, making a one-size-fits-all UBI difficult to implement globally. Conclusion. A global UBI could lead to significant positive changes, such as reduced poverty and increased social stability, but also poses considerable economic, political, and logistical challenges. Its success would depend on careful design, funding, and international cooperation to address these challenges effectively. For O.